Good evening, my prepper posse. Yes, I know. I was going to pull out today and we said screw it. Because nobody's coming here tonight, so that way it'll be daytime when I'm pulling off and you can see everything. I have to turn this in at 9 in the morning, so I've got my bike in the back. It's early. I can take this and ride my bike home after I drop the truck off. Yeah. Oh, can't even, it's so frosty and cold in there with the AC running. Oh, you can see the frost on the windows. It's cold. Oh, it's nice. We're going to sleep in there. And then I'll pull out tomorrow. You can see everything is done. We loaded the last of the storage unit with 10 minutes to spare because in the storage that we rented, if you are there after 9 o'clock, it automatically shuts you in the building. You can't get out. So we were running the last load, but we did it. And that's it. It's clean. Oh yeah. We got the stove in. Yeah, look at this. Freezer's full. We got all of our stuff out of the other deep freeze and put it in. So we're good to go. We should be okay for a little bit. What else? Now we're just cleaning up and putting things away so we can pull out in the morning. The computer's on and running, hotspot's working. So I've got internet in the bus. We'll have coffee in the morning. Ooh, coffee pot! This is this lamp that I wanted to give to my mother and I didn't get to give it to her because it's leopard. She loves leopard, but it's the monkeys. There's see no evil, hear no evil. I think, I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe not. They're just hanging out. I love them. I love this lamp. Yep. And TV and DVD are here. We're just, when we drive, I wanted to put it this way so it's not shaking around. AC is rocking and rolling. Nicole will sleep up there. We'll sit at the table before bed and then I'll set it down, make my bed. I'll catch you all in the morning and we'll drive out of here together. Alright, hope you're having a great night and don't forget to play. See you!